Hey everyone, I'm joined here with Anthony. Anthony is the GB manager, and we're having a joint day together today. Yeah, do we sit around all day long? Or?
Well, firstly, I hope I'm not going to sit around drinking coffee all day with you. But what we are going to do, once a month I'll come and join Fabian for a day out, and we'll see some customers and basically support him through the day, and normally learn something myself as well during the day. So yeah, looking forward to it. What have we got planned?
Awesome, look forward to it too. We're gonna see two customers in the morning where we go on a building site. So we do help them with the installation, give some advice, and in the afternoon gonna see some architects. I think that's a challenge. It's like two different customer groups we're gonna speak to, so it will be fun.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go, let's go.
Alright Fabi, so show us what you got.
Alright, so this is the second building site of this morning, and we are going to seal a window airtight. For this, we need this roll, SIGA roll, and what do we need to do before we go on a construction site?
Well, one, we need to check that we've got all our equipment.
Okay.
For the sales pitch.
So we have the roll, we have the manual, there's some sweets too, and we usually check on our CRM system what our customer has been up to in the...
Yeah, checking our notes. Yeah.
Checking our notes in the recent past, and get ourselves ready in the head.
Alright, should we go and sell some fencing then?
I think so.
All right, let's go.
So, all right, having been on the construction site, we're now here in the car and we're doing a bit of a discussion. What are we discussing?
Well, after every meeting, it's always important whether we sell or we don't sell, that we review it. So we look at what we could do to improve, and also what we did well that we want to take forward with us.
Exactly. And Anthony will share some of his wisdom so that I can learn a bit more for the next time and do better.
But off camera, we don't want to give away our secrets.
All right. So we're about to call in the date. You have seen what a future day in your position at SIGA may look like. But I think you can also greatly benefit from knowing more about what your future boss expects from you, and Anthony will give you an answer here.
Yeah, I mean, it's a good question. I think the main things are that self-motivated needs to be the main one. Certainly open to a challenge, and probably importantly as well, that you can take on feedback, also implement it, and do it with a smile on your face.
Join the GB team, don't forget that. So we are just about to calling the date. The date.
Is that what you call it? Hang on a minute. Properly. Alright, so Fabi, what have we got then? Show us. The sun's so bright. It doesn't really shine this brightly in England normally, just when you want to film a video.